So you finally made it out of character select in ESO, and you're almost instantly asked to make another choice, to pick a weapon. There's a sword, an axe, a fire staff. All the names are pretty self-explanatory, but here you are looking up a video on YouTube because you want to know what the best choice is. Well, you can relax because it isn't as important of a decision as it seems. Firstly, weapons in ESO can be swapped out at will. You will get drops for all types, and you can decide to use a new weapon 10 minutes or 10 hours into the game without any penalty. So go ahead and pick up that fire staff you've been eyeing. And the healing staff. And the sword. And the axe. And the daggers. And the bow. Yep, that's right. You can pick up all of the weapons. And the quest lady even tells you as much, but only after you make your choice.
Yes, I think that one suits you. If you change your mind, feel free to take any other weapon you want.
It can be anxiety-inducing starting a new game and worrying about the choices you're making not being the right one. But you really don't need to worry about that in ESO. The only thing that you can't take back is your class. So with that in mind, I would recommend trying several weapons over the first few hours of gameplay and seeing which ones you like best while exploring Tamriel. Good luck!